You're going to need really good eyesight down to slightly to the right of the blue bucket. There you go. Let me see if I can enlarge that. This is as far in as I can go. And I'm wondering if that's what you saw last night. And I think that's our woodchuck or our groundhog. But then again, I come from a country that doesn't have these animals, so I'm not sure that I'm particularly in the know. And the funny thing is, this is what he does at night time. Just as it's getting dark, he goes under that fence there and across the parking pit. So there you have it.